My viewers are unaware that how to run the JavaScript codes in the terminal in the VS Code. So guys, that's very simple. Just click the Control J, go to the terminal, and then change the directory to any folder. Like I have the problem solving, so I would paste it problem solving, and then we would like run the code which is like node one underscore the file you are running to get the result on the terminal, and the result you are getting the sum of the two numbers 10 20 is 30 here getting reflected. So how is that possible, guys? That's very simple. First you must have to install the Node.js. So guys, if you had not installed the Node.js, so just go to the like here on any browser and then click the Node.js. So you would have to install the Node.js from here. Okay, just go to the official website and then you would go to the Node.js, and I would tell you that which version you need to be downloaded. Okay, so guys, you have to get Node.js, or just go to here download section, and on clicking on the download you would get its latest version. Okay, and then you can download it for any respective operating system, whether it's Mac, Linux, etc. My internet is slow, but you can download it from here just clicking on the next, and then you can download it. Okay, so from here you guys can download, and for the Mac, Linux, AIX, and then architectures. Okay, so guys, you can simple download it, and as I already downloaded it, just I would show you on the console that how to check actually that whether the node is installed or not. So just click here node version, and it would give you any version of the node.js. Okay, so you installed it, and then you can simply run any code just by clicking. For example, I would also paste another hello world. I would make a folder hello world. Okay, hello world.js, and then I would like some like console log hello world. My English is not better, but hope you guys would understand it. Okay, then you have to write the node and then the name of the file, which is like hello world, etc., and then you would get the output. Okay, so guys, that's very simple. You guys can run your any code like this. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. As I don't press the control S here, so I don't saved it. After saving, I got the output here. Okay, so I can get like other outputs also, hello world 1, and then I would run it, and then I can get the output. Sorry, I again not saved it. Control S, and I don't know who turned off the auto save in my folder. And you can like do run your files like so. So hope you enjoyed my English, which is not very better, but you guys would get some your problems to be solved from here. Okay, so subscribe my channel if you guys need some short and to the point tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.